Hello friends, today we learn two-digit additions. Let's start. This is ones place. This is tens place. This is plus symbol. We always keep in big number in our mind. I show you one example. We start from right to left. This is right side. This is left side. Which is the big number? 5. 5. We always keep big number in our mind. This is big number. Okay, I'll write here B. Now 3. This is small number. I write here S. Means small. Let's count after numbers. We take 3 fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8. We got answer 8. This is tens place. Big number 4. I write here B. Which is the small number? 2. I write here S. We always keep big number in our computer. We take 4 after 2 fingers. We take after numbers. We count 4 after 5, 6. We got answer 6. The answer is 68. Next, now you know what is the 10 place, 1 place, and symbol. Now you can tell me answers. I will write. What is this? This is ones place. Which is big number? Let's find. B. Which is the smallest number? 3. This is 3. We write here S. Then we always keep big number in our computer. We take 3 fingers after 4 after we count numbers. 4, 5, 6, 7. We got answer 7. Which place is this? Tens place. Which is the big number? 6. Which is the small number? 2. We always keep big number in our computer. We count after 6 after 2 fingers. 7, 8. We got answer 8. Answer is 87. Next example. Ones place. This is ones place. Which is the big number? 8. And which is the small number? 1. Here is 1 number. We always keep in big number in our computer. And we count 8 after 1 finger. 9. We got answer 9. Tens place. 7, 8, 9. We got answer 9. The answer is 99. Last is 1 place and 10 place. This is 1 place and this is 10 place. Which is the big number? 6. And which is the small number? 3. We always keep big number in our computer. 7, 8, 9. We got answer 9. Tens place. Which is the big number? 9. Which is the small number? 1. We always keep big number in our computer. 9, 10. 9 after one finger. 10. We got answer 109. 109. If you like this video, like, share